Alright, we back. Anyway, Kirby, did I show you a video about the music video yesterday? You did it, Kirby!
Yeah, I know. I was bored.
And don't worry, since you learned by the master of DonaldSonic, we are going to something big going on.
Oh boy. What's big? What's big?
The music video? I don't know. Well, I have something to show you. Not that book, but the PSP.
What?
Okay, that's weird. So I had nothing to do. I cannot make big. But anyways, Kirby, right now we have some snowstorm going on.
Oh really?
Yeah, I know. They say that it's gonna happen at 12 o'clock. Hold, Sonic. Sorry, I just ate burrito. Wait, burrito? Oh.
Yeah, you got a good hiccup. Damn, that sucks.
Yeah, I know.
I will talk to Genji.
Alright, good luck. Anyway, Sonic, what we're doing now? Snowstorm is bad. Of course, Sonic, snowstorm is bad. Are you an idiot? I'm not an idiot. Well, let's just relax. That's so cool. Yeah, I know. So, what do you want to do? I don't know. Well, okay. So, we got a problem with a snowstorm. Huh? Okay. Ah! Horrible. Ow. Give me hurt now. Yeah. What we're doing now? I don't know. What we're doing now? I got a better idea. Snowstorm activity. Snowstorm activity? Like we could do something fun during a snowstorm. Okay. Hey, Sonic, I saw that fidget cube. I don't need it no more. Why would we bring the fidget cube in the first place? I don't know. Anyways. So, Sonic, this is crazy, but fidget cube is important. Alright, let me just go. I got it. You got it, Donald? Yeah. Holy shit, I can't believe it. This sports activity, fidget cube. Now, fidget cube is give you stress like this. Holy. Shut the hell up. Uh-oh. Donald? Why you shouldn't through there?
Hey, I need to talk to you.
Oh no.
Not now. Shadow.
Anyways, let's get my fidget cube.
Who threw the fidget cube?
Hulk. Wait, what? Oh my god. Well, he's dead. Yeah.
Great.
It's crazy, Sonic. Let's see. Hey, what's under the pillow? What the hell is this? Nothing. So, what's next, Sonic? I don't know. What's next, Donald? Do you any activity going on? Yes. I have a bad idea. Okay. This is crazy, Donald.
Yeah.
Donald, this is crazy. Yeah, I know, Sonic. Dad, what's up, my homie? Donald. I'm relaxing because since snowstorm began, what activity are we going to do now? I don't know. PS4, It's PSP.
Yeah.
I know. It's cool.
Oh, now you're talking.
Alright. Have to turn on the. It's dead. So we're doing now. I don't know. Let's have fun. Fun? I hate fun, Donald.
Yeah.
Like, Snowstorm is bad. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Anyway.
Chaos.
Oh my god! What happened, Donald? You guy would not see this. Why? I don't know. Oh god, I'm sick. Oh god. Oh. Okay. If someone read this, the book that I bought is the picture that I worth.
I know.
The picture? Yeah. I'll play my fidget cube. Hey, you threw my fidget cube, Sonic? Yes, I did. Wait, I didn't throw it. Dash just psyched it. Dash Illuminati. I'm not Illuminati. Okay. You're the Illuminati bird, right? Yeah. Well, anyway, this is crazy. Remember, they get worth a lot. So, we got the book that I had, but let's say for the summer. We got the coloring book, anime. Let's see what y'all get. Fairy Tale. I love the book. Fairy Tale? Put the shit away. I need to do something with this. No, get in. Anyways. There is my favorite part. Nah, hold on, yeah. There we go. Large print, well found crossword puzzle. I found it.
Hey.
Kirby, how many times say we had to work up your catchphrase? Say hello.
Well, it's much better.
Also, guess what I found?
Really?
Crossword puzzle. It could help you guys calm down.
May I see it?
Yeah. Why you do that?
Snowstorm, bored.
I know it's bored, but we had nothing to do. We can't go outside. We can't drive a car. It's snowstorm, guy.
Hey, Donald.
Yes.
Sound lean on your mom.
Yes, I don't care.
Slut.
Hey, I'm just. Well, I can't say it, but on YouTube.
Come on, baby.
Hey, get it from my mom.
Make me.
That's it. I have sex with Latina. Yep. Donna, you hit the ball again. That meatball. You're a meatball. Yeah, I'm okay with that.
Where's the
guy? Kirby. This is crazy. But remember, oh god, he took the cameraman. Oh, that's weird. Yeah, I thought so. So what next? I have no idea. Power the tablet? Snowstorm activity? Dude, there's no such snowstorm activity. Yes, it is. Alright? We got a crossword puzzle. Why Bailey mouth open? I don't know. Anyways, let's see what we got. Crossword puzzle. What be? So, what should we do with this? Draw something? How wait? Jesus, you okay, Sonic? You hit me. Sorry. No.
Oh, God. What am I going to do?
This pencil. I'm trying to do it. Kirby, that's the camera shirt.
Shut up.
Anyways, Ow. Anyways, let's see. Alright, let's do this. Ooh, I found this. Okay. Let's see what we're trying to do. Alright. Okay, yeah. Alright, let's do this. Alright, let's see. Ooh. Cauliflower. I found it first. Iris. On a fucking ball. Nothing. Can you believe it? Anyways. So, this is crazy, huh? I'm mad now. Anyways, hey Kirby, can you throw away? I'm done with this shit. Yeah, my favorite song. Oh, Wally. Anyway, so, this is crazy. Anyways, to get the elevator. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I see you guys tomorrow, and I hope guys see you later. Bye, guys, and enjoy your day.